We're being tailed.
What are you doing? Smash me.
Go on.
Go on. Rocky. Go get on the shore. Oh my God.
This is our second attempt at this pond, but it's our third attempt in total.
We've caught one each. It's 1-to-1 right now.
Yeah, so we have to break a tie. We decided to stay a little later. So we're at
My grandparents.
Julie's grandparents' place.
I have a tiny head in this big thing.
And we've been here for 3 days.
We got here
4
Tuesday
days.
night.
And we originally came out this way because of a wedding. And then we drove a couple more hours to get here after the wedding. And now we are trying to have a relaxing trip, and it's not that.
Well, Ben doesn't really know how to relax.
And
he just gets anxious about all the work we're not doing.
well, we originally set out to come here and get some stuff done, which we did. You know, we came out here. Her grandma is a seamstress, or was, and she has a sewing machine, and we had the material, and so we were like, cool, let's.
I can't sit here and talk without also fishing.
Hang on, she's got to get her pole. Like we were saying, we had an idea of what we wanted to do out here. Her grandma's a seamstress, so we did make some cushions.
So this is it. It's just like a pillowcase. Yep. But it's very clean and it's super simple.
And you'll see those in a minute, but they took us a bit longer than we anticipated, and then we just couldn't quite get enough time to film. We did initially come out here, and we got some body work done the day as we were coming out. We got rid of the ladder on the back door, and a friend of Julie's dad, he has a car. It's not an auto body, but it's like a race shop. I don't know. They outfit BMWs to race, and he works mainly on BMWs, right? Because her dad races.
It's called Off Camber Autosport. That's my dad.
And so we got that done, and then we came out here and started working on the cushions, but we did eventually get to do some riding. Look at all these dogs.
We're up at my grandparents' house somewhere in Pennsylvania, and we're gonna go for a quad ride.
Let's see how they do.
Oh, you do the running, we do the riding.
Laid under the willow tree, last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover.
Grace, what happened? We missed you. You didn't run with us. All right, now we're gonna go in the woods. It should be pretty obvious.
So if Julie's filming right now, I just want to point out everything that she has in her memory is wrong.
We found it. Guys, the trail. All right, here he comes. I found the path, kind of. It's just really overgrown. You can get around that at least. Go, 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 go. This used to be like pristine when I was a kid. What do you do? Oh my gosh, he's so strong. Go. Woo! I have to wear a helmet now.
Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
You thirsty? That was a lot of running. What we wanted to do, kind of let off some steam, but this turned into more of like a dog vacation. They haven't been able to do anything like that in a very long time. They've been cooped up while we work on the van.
Not the biggest I've ever caught, but it's okay. Catch and release.
And then we did finally get to do some fishing. What are you doing?
I'm watching him cast. You know what's funny is he picked up a green pole from my grandpa's garage and he said, "This is the pole that I use. This is mine and my sister's poles." And those are the poles I learned how to fish on.
There's a circle under there.
Careful, Brady. Careful.
You scared me.
There, sea master.
I'm gonna get mine and try and fish here.
I'm gonna go grab some other poles.
Oh, yeah? Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Can I look through it?
Mm-hmm. Too funny. What are you doing? You're not a beaver.
Getting little bites. Ready? What? Look at you, Jules. Come on. Grab his lip. Grab his lip.
Whoa.
You got him?
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Okay, go, baby.
Good work.
Kissy. It's in my way. All right, buddy.
All right. Did it. Good job.
I got bags under my eyes.
We're gonna try to do a little morning fishing. That's the goal. We tried yesterday.
We did evening fishing
And
yesterday.
Julie had some luck, and I had some major bites on the frog. But I didn't bring anything in. So
1-0. Game on.
we're gonna try again. On a different pond.
There's a lot of green algae.
All right, well, I don't know if we're gonna get anything without.
Going out?
Yeah.
Well, then we gotta push the boat out.
Okay. All right.
You're not coming.
There's a little snake. Oh, baby snake. Off.
Back. Where a baby snake? Did you think you had something?
I did.
Oh. I thought you just wanted to talk.
No.
What'd you get, babe?
Got a whole bunch of seaweed.
Nothing bad. Woo!
Got me one. Little guy. Little bass. And we got one.
Look at that guy.
This is the second time on this pond, but we thought we'd come out here today and give it another last go. But since I'm not gonna be able to get a video out like I had hoped while we were here, we thought, oh cool, let's show you guys a little sneak peek or tour of the van and where it's at right now. And then maybe if you wanna stick around to the end, we'll show you if we caught anything here. I don't know if we will.
Nothing yet.
What is this?
So it's our van. Ta-da! It's all done, and we wanted to show you a finished van tour. Here we go. Dog cookies.
Whoa, those,
Entrance rug.
look at
Look, our welcome mat. Dog bed. One exciting thing that I can show you. Do you want me to turn on the lights? We got our electric back on. I don't know if that really helped that much. Let me
No, it won't.
There
Whoa, that did
There
it.
we go. Okay, one exciting thing that we got going.
No hardware.
Ta-da! Look guys, it's our fridge that you saw like 6 months ago.
Whoa, MTV
What is
Cribs.
it? Tacos!
We've utilized the space very well. This is how much space we have from the wall, but it was so tight.
It does open.
But then,
We forgot. We installed a countertop.
but this lid comes off,
Yeah.
so we could still get in there.
Oh, there's no play. This is what you get, guys. Let's go. Goodbye.
But at least it's in. So we built this whole kitchenette custom, and that was like a long time, and it's just kind of been sitting around, and then we pinned it in, and then it was sitting empty until eventually we did these countertops. These are skateboard edges, which was something I did on the last van, so I thought we'd utilize them again and try to tie in the color of the ceiling to our countertops. So it's just a bunch of cut skateboards for inch edging.
Good job.
Let's see the bathroom. How's that looking?
All right, guys, look at our bathroom.
So this is supposed to be our standing closet. Julie put the clothes in the wrong room.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Those are the clothes we had to wear to the wedding. Okay. I'm standing in the shower. There's our drain.
That is plumbed, right?
Yeah, working. Here's our composting toilet. See? And then our shower head's gonna go up here. It's not in yet.
But you can see the mixer is hidden
Right
within
here.
all those cables.
See our hot and cold?
And those wires will be within the wall. And that is all attached to
A
little
removable
clips.
panel.
So we wanted to make this panel right over here, our control panel, removable.
Let's see where our fresh water is.
Empty.
Empty. No water. And then
What does that go to?
this goes to our oven. It's a convection oven. It also has air fryer and toast, obviously. It's pretty big though, pretty spacious. You can fit a full chicken, which I don't eat, or a pizza, which I do eat.
But we were super tight, you know?
Yeah.
All of our stuff was custom made,
All right, and then this is our sink.
which
Look.
isn't attached.
Removable countertop. We did that. Our faucet comes out right here, and it's cool because it has like this arm thing. So,
But
if
you'll
you-
have to wait and see.
Yeah, you'll have
Can't
to.
show you everything,
Yeah,
guys.
that's for later. Ready for this? Look, guys. Couch.
Look at these retro colors. We're throwing some
Pretty
green. We're throwing
cool.
some mustard. And
Then look at this. Ready?
and look at that.
Da 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 da.
Another custom countertop.
Yeah, we're pretty good at this part. We could do this pretty good. Like I said, pretty good. We're pretty good at it.
But you could
It's nice
fit
and sturdy.
2 people on each side. That
Yeah.
was our goal. And then our outlets are all in and working properly. And then the flares and our overhead reading lights.
Yeah. Flare.
And our
The air cooler works.
air cooler can turn on, but that's a quick tour. That's a 10-cent tour.
Yeah, there's your 10-cent tour, guys.
Now we're gonna
Trying to keep you in the loop, but we're not done.
get back to trying to fish. Oh, we forgot one.
Grace. She can't jump up.
No.
She old lady. She old lady. I'm disconnecting us so we can set sail. You ready?
All right. Might have a bum Polaroid camera there.
Very careful.
Spider.
Come here, baby.
Oh, look at that. Someone got herself a little bluegill.
That's all I wanted was a little guy. What'd you get? Oh, you ripped him right out.
Yeah.
You got a bass.
About the same size as the last one.
2 to 2.
He was low, 2
He
to
was
2.
low.
Yeah, so I'm throwing this like
Crawdaddy.
peanut butter colored jig. It's got a yellow head though with little orange eyes. And then Julie's
I'm
throwing
in the water still.
got a little shad spinnerbait. Just hook Julie up with the Ned rig. And she's fighting it. Ah! Oh, you did it.
Hey, monster boy.
Wow, that's a good one.
Hello, baby.
Nice. Looks 3 to 2. The Ned rig.
3 to 2.
Got that one.
Try.
We only have about a half hour left. So I'm gonna try to throw my froggy, but only something big will probably hit on the frog. Got a little quick connect because I'm getting lazy. Froggy.
Oh shit.
Did you just get a bite?
No, yeah, I did get a bite.
No,
I never
yeah.
want
You can. I'll let Julie get back to fishing. She's probably gonna get another. Just tiring it out. She got another little bass on the line.
it. Slow.
Oh, you got it. Oh, you used the worm.
Oh yeah, I used the worm.
Oh, number 4.
Look at that little baby.
I'm gonna cast one more time over there. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, that's it. Because as you can see, we're just about out of light. And that means Julie will be the big wiener. Come on, hero. Alright, guys. We're packing it in. Defeated. That's it for us. Now we have a 2-hour drive back to Julie's parents' house. So, thanks for watching. Was it a vlog? Was it anything? It was something. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 How'd you do on the Polaroids here? And that never stays in. I'm gonna have to move to the film camera. The focus just never hits, but that's nice. That one's pretty good. That
That's
exposed
not bad.
very well. That's
There's my bluegill. You can barely see it. There's a bass.
bass, really.
There's Ghost Rally. Benjamin.
Vintage.
It does. You see when my husband was crack when he was running by?